So the last time we looked at a single select query, which you're able to select the data you wanted or the field names you wanted from a single table. We did it for the other table too. You got in some practice. I want to show you now some criteria query. So criteria query means now that we can select the criterias that we want out of the query. So let's go ahead and create a query design, and we'll do rooms only for this particular one, and we want the room name. Let's do location and number of beds. Now, this is what we did last time in alignment with a select query. So when you run this, it gives you all the rooms, all the locations that they belong to, and the number of beds found. Let's say we only wanted to know the rooms that had in less than 3 beds. So I'll go back to my design view, and under number of beds, under criteria, I will say show me the beds, show me the rooms where the beds are less than, so on your keyboard, the less than sign, less than 3. That means that all the rooms with the number of beds that are 1 and 2 should show only those beds, only those rooms. So when you run this, it shows now only the rooms where there is 1 or 2 bed, because we have it as less than 3. If we wanted to say the ones with 3 also, it could be less than equal to 3, and that should return all the rooms with less than equal to 3 beds. So I can save this query as room beds 3 or less query. Notice that I'm putting in names for the queries that as soon as I look at it, I know what the query will be about, so I can use it then in a report if I need to. Let's do another query using this time multiple tables. So query design, I'll add all 3 tables because I want data on the person's first name, last name. I want to know the name of the room they stayed in, and I want to know what price they paid and the date they rented it. So we're grabbing data from different tables. Now this is complicated, right? So let's run. So it shows, now this is information for me. It shows that this person stayed in this room at a price of $100 for that particular date. So imagine I can now do a criteria query to say, show me the list of rooms that were above the price of $250. So let's do that. So design view, I want to know prices that were over $250. So I'll put more than $250, and this should, when I run it, give me the list of rooms that were rented over $250. So let's save that as room rented query more than $250. Boom. So that's my 3 table query. Where are we? Yeah. Yeah, 3 table query along with a criteria molded into it. And if we wanted, we could sort any field by descending or ascending order.